Bank of America mobile application or the website review. As you can see, the official website of Bank of America, this is quite good in order to enroll in online banking. If you want to create an account, you can create it through this website. Now, after logging in, what you will get in this Bank of America application, that is transfer money, pay your bills, schedule an appointment, that you want to schedule a payment appointment, order checks, activate a card, open a new account, and go paperless. So, yes, this is a fully online banking service for you. You can transfer your account for small business, for personal account, for business, or institutions. Now, to enjoy the benefits, you simply have to install the main application from Android or iOS, that is Bank of America. And if you're on PC, you can simply use the website, same website I'm using right now in front of you, and start using it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel.